and we do have several chances coming over the next couple of days. We had some rain over the weekend that helped. We picked up almost half an inch in Lexington early Sunday morning, but we're needing a whole lot more to start to see those drought levels going down. So we are in that moderate drought in most of Kentucky. What we're looking at, though, the wettest 4th of July. I kind of wish we'd had this rain. 1.83 inches. That was from 1935. So we are far from that. Maybe just that 10% chance of rain today. Otherwise, we've been dry. The warmest, if we're feeling this hot, 99 degrees. That was in 2012. And we have had heat index values that high today. And then, of course, the coolest overnight low temperatures down around 50 degrees. That was in 1968. So we're probably closest to the warmest July 4th on record. Again, that was in Lexington. Just a quick little history look back there. Heat and humidity continues. Of course, I don't have to tell you that it's been very hot. It's been very humid today. We're going to continue to see those numbers really climbing over the course of the next couple of days. Heat index values well into the low 100s. We're talking 103, maybe up to 105 by the time we get into Wednesday. And the dew points continue to climb as well into the mid 70s. That also means with the increase in moisture that we have daily shots at rain and thunderstorms. Really don't want to have to deal with some strong storms, but if it means we get some rain out of the mix, then, I think we'll take it. Future Track shows kind of what's going to come to play and come to fruition over the course of the next few days. For the rest of this evening, we're dry. Great for fireworks, although it will be very warm, muggy, and sticky. Kind of that still air as well, so the smoke may linger for just a little bit. Heading on into the day tomorrow, we start maybe early on with some sunshine, especially in southern Kentucky, but there's a complex of storms getting closer. It breaks apart and moves over to the east before we see anything. In the hottest part of the afternoon, though, I do anticipate at least northern Kentucky around Lexington and north. We'll see some scattered showers moving in throughout the day. So I'm giving about a 40% chance tomorrow. We're going to up that to about a 50% chance on Wednesday. As the couple of fronts start to move in closer to us, we continue with the heat and the humidity, a lot of instability in the atmosphere as well. So it's not going to take hardly anything for some of those cumulus clouds to start to build and tower and then eventually drop some torrential rain. Now, the SPC has placed us under a slight risk for severe weather tomorrow around Lexington and north, and then toward Rockcastle County and south. That's a marginal risk. Your main threats are strong to damaging winds, torrential rain, and a lot of lightning and thunder. So we got a lot of heat to work with, so that kind of makes the lightning kind of come into play a little bit more. Very, very muggy. Man, it feels tropical outside already today, but we're really going to start to see those numbers kicking up a few notches tomorrow, Wednesday, and Thursday. Mid 70s. That's oppressive. And then after that, we start to see those numbers coming down just a little bit, but really hot and humid and active over the next several days. 102 is what it's going to feel like tomorrow. 103 on Wednesday, 100 degrees on Thursday. This red line, of course, represents the heat index. The bars represent the forecast air temperature. Moving closer to the weekend, we do start to see a slight bit of relief. Highs, though, still in the mid 80s. Tonight, not much relief either. 75, still very sticky and muggy, partly cloudy skies. We're going to see a mixture of clouds and sun tomorrow. Places that see rain will have clouds, others won't. We'll see some sunshine. Highs again in the mid 90s, feeling like the low 100s, and the same goes for Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday as we start to see more of those rain chances ramping up. 60% on Friday. That should be a pretty good shot at us seeing rain. And then we start to dry out toward the second half of the weekend with more sun and highs still in the 80s.